Hey guys, do y'all want to box my early birthday present from Tiffany, whatever, Tiffany and Cole, whatever? Do y'all want to unbox it with me? Let's unbox it. So the first thing I see is this. I'm gonna read it. It's a silver polishing cloth. So I guess it's supposed to clean something. Because I don't know it. I do know what it is, but y'all probably don't. So I'm not gonna tell y'all. Cause I can tell because it's all Tiffany. I mean, y'all probably do. Y'all probably don't. I don't know. But this is a napkin. Opening the thing last. So this is the little box it came in. We're gonna open it last. Little buzz, but let's open this. It's gonna be really satisfying when we open it. Let me do a close-up. It's really cute. So we're gonna put it on my milk. First, we're gonna put the ring and then this thing. I think this thing is supposed to like make sure the ring don't fall off or whatever. But overall, it's cute. But yeah, this was a short video. If y'all want a Tiffany ring, if y'all want a Tiffany ring, go buy it. Bye, guys.